and we're doing a wig review today. Well, I'm doing a wig review and you're watching, so there you go. I'm Tia, and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do wig reviews, wig updates, wig tips, wig tricks, wig content, okay? A little bit of makeup, a little bit of life. So if that sounds good to you, go ahead and hit subscribe. And today we have Bobbi Boss. And I have Miss Alexis, and she is in the color 4. Lace front wig. Bobbi Boss is slick. They don't like to tell you what degrees you can put heat on it, but they just say you can do that. This is a handmade C part, and yeah. Oh, where did I get her from? Hold on. I scooped her from Wig Types for $24.58. So let's get her. This is her. Ooh, it's light yucky texture. Beautiful, beautiful layers. I love that number 4 color. Let's look at the cap construction. There's her parting space right there. She's lace front. I already cut the lace off. She has 2 combs set wide on the front, comb in the back, adjustable strap. She's a right-sided part. Let's just get her on and see what's going on. Cha. Ooh. Ugh. I don't know about this, people. She reminds me a lot of Sister Wig's Boo, and I did not like Boo. Oh, no, don't be Boo. Wig cap is comfortable. I wouldn't say it's overly large. Wig cap texture is great. I just feel like she's a Boo situation. Not getting an initial shedding. Let me try to get this chick together. Let me not let my past experiences ruin my new experience. So let me see what I can do. Let's just see what we can do. Let's do pros and cons. Let's start with the cons. We'll get the bad stuff out. A lot of this is me. A lot of this is just like, I don't like this style of wig. I guess I just don't see how this is like coming down, and I just don't feel like it's like a swoopy bang like this. And I hate this. Like, I don't feel like it's like that. I don't know. I don't like the swoop bangs. I don't like the stuff across my face. I know some people do, and it looks so beautiful on some people. I'm just not that girl. Like, this is cute little 70s flip stitch, but I'm never gonna wear a wig where I have to be like, ooh. I mean, it's gorgeous. The texture is gorgeous. The texture, the density is amazing. I'd have to do so much to get this to lay. This is just so much like that Boo wig from Sister Wigs that I just didn't jam with. Like, it looks beautiful, but like this, I just wouldn't wear it because I'd be like, dude, all of it. If you love this style, this is definitely, I would suggest this wig. I love the texture. Like, feel this. Like, I'm like, feel this. You can't feel it. It's just really like, it's like sexy redhead. If this is your style of hair, but it's not. I don't like bangs in my face. I don't like swoopiness. Right there, it's okay. I don't know. The length is nice. It's only about, it's got a lot of layers, about 20 inches at the very longest. Again, let's look at it from the back. Yeah, this is the other thing. It's feeling like super bulky here, and then it's like thinner on the bottom. Like, I feel like it would almost be better like this length. Yeah, I think it would be better shorter. Not a horrible wig. My personal preference, no, I would not suggest this. I don't like it. I don't like the style. Like I said, there's some weird humpiness back here. If you like this style though, I think the humpiness would serve to give you just like that volume that you're looking for. But again, I think it's just like, it's really voluminous here, and then it's like, yeah, I don't know. I don't like when I don't like a wig. And a lot of it I do think is just me and my preference, but I'm not feeling this wig. Color is beautiful, texture is beautiful, density is beautiful. So if you are into this wig, I think it would be a good buy. But if you don't like this swoopy bang situation, do not get this wig, okay? That's my review. Sorry it's not peaches and cream. This is really how I feel. I can never hide how I feel. You can see it right on my face. You probably saw it as soon as I looked in the mirror. So there you go. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. If there is another Bobbi Boss wig that you would like me to review, please put that down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.